Hello viewers, today I'm going to show you how to make sliced text on Photoshop. So you can see I have given a text and where I have made a sliced between this text. So first of all, what we need to do, let's do it first all over again. Let's go to a first page and where you can choose any kinds of gradient color as you like to have, such as I am going to take a bluish with the blackish part. You can see a little bit darker, and this one would be also a darker side part of it. Well, you just can't choose it too. And then let's go to the style, make it the dial, and just go to this careless and increase a little bit of it. So that's enough. I'm gonna like it. So then what we are going to do, let's take a text. So where I'm gonna write anything, like anything you like. So I'm going to write a confident word. See, I have written a confident word. So from this, what we can do, we just have to make it a sliced part. So for this, what we will do is come to the layer button and let's click the right button of it and go to rest type, and then you just have to come to over here and just make it cut as you like to do. I make a mistake of it, so I'm gonna deselect it like this one. That's it. And then what we are going to do, just click to the move tool and just click here. Now you can see it just already been cut out, so you can do it a little bit change of it and just drag it to a little bit lower of it. And I'm doing this without using mouse, but I'm doing this with the keyboard, the right or left button. Okay, so your work is done. So let's just click Ctrl D to deselect the text. And for this, what we'll do, you just have to make another layer of it by clicking Ctrl J. Then you may rename it confident 2. So you will come and you can see there is no changes. How you're supposed to know there's a change? There has change. So you are coming and you just come into here and clicking to select the part of it to delete it, obviously. So for this, you have to do deselect the confident 2 and come over to here and make a click option delete. So let's just click again Ctrl D to deselect. It's just done. And let's come to the confident 2 and check it. That's it. And then what we're going to do is simple. Let's come over here. Let's come to the gradient tool